Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to show you how I make banana chocolate chip bread. So stay tuned. So here's what you're going to need. You're going to need some flour, some salt, some baking soda, vanilla, bananas of course, eggs, butter, chocolate chips, and brown sugar. So in your mixing bowl or your stand mixer or just a regular bowl, you can definitely mix this by hand with a hand mixer. You're gonna cream your butter and your brown sugar together. And you're gonna let that come together. You're gonna mix it for about 2 to 3 minutes. So now in a separate bowl, you're gonna mash your bananas. If you wanna let your bananas brown a little bit for a few days, you can. These bananas were extremely sweet and they were very fragrant. And what I do is I add the eggs in there to really get the bananas softened. And I don't like them to be like totally liquidy, some texture to them. So now I'm still creaming my butter and my sugar, and I'm gonna add my banana mixture into this. And you're gonna let that go until it's well combined. Scrape your bowl. Don't forget to scrape your bowl. Okay. Scrape the bottoms and the sides. Scrape your beater. And keep it in. Just continue. Okay, you're gonna keep letting that go till well combined, and you're gonna add your flour, little by little until it is totally combined. And you're gonna scrape your bowl, top, sides and bottom. You're gonna add in your vanilla. And you just wanna make this as very well combined. It comes together very easily, it really does. For this recipe to not have any milk or anything in it, this recipe comes together very well. Okay, so now you're going to add in your chocolate chips. If you were adding nuts into it, you would add the nuts in this stage as well. Okay. And you're just going to mix that until you got and see, you have some chunks of banana in there, and that's the way I like it. You don't have to have it that way. Okay, and now you're going to add it into a greased loaf pan. You're going to have your oven preheated at 350, and you're going to cook it for about 25 to 30 minutes. Now, this is going to depend on your oven, so check it. My oven, again, has a fire-breathing dragon in it, and it doesn't always take that long for my oven, so make sure you take that in consideration. Now my bread has come out of the oven. I'm just going to put a little butter on top. You don't have to do this, but this is just me. Usually with any type of bread, this is what I do. I put a little butter on the top, but again, you don't have to. And then you're going to let it cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. After cooling in the pan for about 10 minutes, you're going to take a butter knife and rub on the sides, and then you're going to flip it out onto a cooling rack and let it cool completely. Okay, so let's cut banana bread, sorry. This is the coffee cake. I did make a video. This over here is a coffee cake. I did do a video of that as well. So you see how soft this bread is? Okay. let me turn the light on. Look at that. I'm moist. So that is it. I want to thank y'all so much for watching. I hope that y'all try this recipe. If you do, let me know what you think. So I'll see y'all later. Bye.